हाँ
all the content classes thing coming, the main reporter is also video.
वो ठीक है। रोलिंग गाइस, चल भाई काम पे जाने का।
Sanjay, very excited about this film.
Yeah.
Because it's like a comeback of sorts for Aishwarya and even you will be seeing on the big screen after all. Tell us, what can we expect from Jazba?
I think you can expect a very entertaining and thrilling film. It's a very taut screenplay. It's a thriller and not really in the mold of the formula films that we've been seeing of late. In any case, I've never made those kind of films. And as far as Aishwarya is concerned and I am concerned, I guess, yeah, it is after a while. But then at the end of the day, it's just another day at work, just getting back to work.
The film is supposed to go to Cannes also. Do you think you make that date as well? There's been some slight delay.
No, there's not been any delays as such. We're well within our timetable and the schedule that we plan to do. And in any case, we're just doing a curtain raiser at Cannes. We're not showing the film as such. It won't be premiering, just a curtain raiser.
What is the script reading session today? Is it going to be long hours for the actors to get?
Yeah, of course. No, this is just for the actors to know get to know each other, the characters that they're playing. We'll be reading out the script to them and then they will read it and it's just a rehearsal.
A very impressive cast, I should say. Aishwarya, Irfan, Shabana, some great actors and
Right.
some glamour portion. So was it difficult to get it all together?
No, not at all. Yeah, it's not difficult. We have a great script. Every time we sent it out to any of the actors, my brief to my casting director, Hanitriyan, was very simple that I needed the best of the best. I said, just get me the best talent in the business. And a lot of actors like Abhimanyu Singh, Chandan Sanyal, Atul Kulkarni, I pulled in personal favors from them because even though the length of the role may not be very big, but they play very important characters.
You're a great fan of cricket as well.
No, I'm not a cricket fan. I'm sorry.
ये कब तक आ जाएगी लोगों के बीच में ये फिल्म?
हमारी कोशिश है फिल्म सितंबर तक रिलीज़ करने के लिए। सितंबर में प्लान है। शूटिंग ख़त्म हो जाएगी मार्च अप्रैल में और उसके बाद में पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन एंड देन रिलीज़।
कहाँ शूटिंग होगी?
इस फिल्म की पूरी शूटिंग बॉम्बे में है। फिल्म बॉम्बे बेस्ड है, प्रेजेंट डे बॉम्बे, सो इट्स जस्ट गोइंग टू बी ऑल ओवर बॉम्बे।
सर जैसे कि जज्बा बहुत एनर्जेटिक सुनती बहुत एनर्जी वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है, तो आप थोड़ा सा स्टोरी को डिस्क्राइब करें।
जी नहीं, कुछ नहीं डिस्क्राइब कर सकता नो।
कैसी होगी मूवी?
जी नहीं, कुछ नहीं, मैंने बता दिया आपको, इट्स अ थ्रिलर और फॉर्मूला फिल्म नहीं। नो, नथिंग अवे फ्रॉम जज्बा। थैंक्स। थैंक यू।
चंदन भाई, तो चंदन ये जो लुक है आपका, ये जो आपका लुक है, क्या ये जज्बा का है?
कोशिश तो यही है कि मुझे बुलाया गया है कि दाढ़ी बढ़ाइए, बाल बढ़ाइए, तो
जज्बा के बारे में बताना चाहिए। हमने सुना कुछ विलेन का किरदार है।
बॉस आएंगे, बॉस ही बताएंगे।
आपने बता दिया ना पहला
मेरा निष्कर्ष ये है पढ़ने के बाद कि अगर आपने फिल्म 7 देखी है तो 7 में जो केविन स्पेसी जैसा उस तरह का साइकोलॉजी है मेरे रोल का।
ऐश्वर्या है, इरफान और भी बड़े दिग्गज कलाकार हैं
जी।
आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं फिल्म को लेकर?
एक साइड से ज़्यादा मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस एनर्जी है, थोड़ा डरा हुआ हूँ क्योंकि बड़े बड़े महान अभिनेता अभिनेत्री हैं और उनके साथ थोड़ा सा टसल होगा तो मज़ा है, मतलब कि फॉर अ upcoming actor, it's a great opportunity, I think.
Today you have this script reading session. Have you thought something about how you approach the character? Some questions to be asked to the director.
Yeah, sure. I have a lot of questions from Mr. Gupta and my co-actors. But so that's why I'm carrying my diary and pen to take down notes and everything. Since I come from theatre, so I have a lot of questions. So hopefully I'll get the answers and start preparing on it.
चंदन, अगर आपको इस जो आपका किरदार पसंद नहीं आता, तो क्या उसमें कुछ चेंजेस लाना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मेरी इतनी औकात नहीं है कि मैं changes. It's for me, it's like directors and writer, they are सर्वोपरि in a film. तो जो director बोलेंगे, I just have to follow that direction. Yeah.
When he came to you with this project and your role in it, what was your reaction on hearing this script?
Actually, I was quite jubilant and, if I can say, exhilarated because the kind of films Mr. Gupta makes is like which they are very stylish and yet dipped in core of Indian Hindi cinema. So for me, it's a new opportunity because where I come from, because since whatever I have done, I have probably excelled in thrillers like D-Day or Kamine. So this is like sort of in the same genre, but a little more stylish and a little more crispy. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it.
The Indian cricket team is going out now for the World Cup. Is there one message for the team that you would want to give for our boys who are the defending champions who will be fighting in Australia?
Obviously, from the bottom of my heart, best wishes to the Indian team. But sadly, I have stopped watching cricket since Hansi Cronje died. So, but then still, obviously, India loves cricket, so best wishes to them. After I finish Jazba, I start working on Love Affair by Soni Razdan with Arjun and Kalki. So that will be my next film, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very excited to work with a cast and crew like this, and it's Sanjay Gupta sir. It's Sanjay Gupta sir, so it's basically my first director, so I'm very excited to play a part. It's a very dark character, and yeah, it's very Ash's comeback film, so yeah, I'm very happy to be a part of it. Yeah.
Can't forget to dance on your, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
How is it? Share your experience, new year, new beginning?
Yeah, every year actually is a new beginning with new resolutions. This one is only work oriented for me. I'm going to be really working really hard and entertaining people and doing a lot of good films. So yeah, I'm looking forward to playing very different and very whacked out characters this year. Yeah.
Sanjay is always known for the unique characterization he does or the script he has. So what about that?
I think this is a film which Sanjay sir has been wanting to do for a very long time, something like this, not very commercial, very performance oriented, and with a very ensemble, subtle cast like this. I think he's given every character a individual niche in this. So even a person with one scene, 3 scenes will be noticed in this film
But
for sure.
personally, what do you rather prefer? If you get a chance to choose one out of two, one would be a commercial movie and second would be an art house movie. So personally, what would you rather prefer?
Art house film for sure.
Why?
Because I believe in a lot of realistic stuff, things with lots of messages and things that happen in daily lives, and the characters are also very well defined. And as you know, the cinema is like changing and has already changed, and people are very open to watching art house cinema, and not even like art house cinema, but in the middle of commercial and art house cinema, which is like, you know, realistic commercial cinema, you know. So yeah, I'm looking forward to playing a very important part. हाँ देख रहे हो आप कर लिया 6-7 किलो कर लिया हाँ बता तो नहीं पाऊँगा बट बहुत ही डार्क कैरेक्टर है बहुत ही परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड कैरेक्टर है मेरा तो हाँ
आपके साथ ऐश्वर्या राय है इरफान खान है शबाना आजमी है तो डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है आपको एक्साइटेड है
नहीं नर्वस तो है वो नहीं एक्साइटेड हूँ कि ऐसे सब ऐसा कास्ट और क्रू के साथ काम करने को मिल रहा है मुझे and I think this film is going to be opening in a very big festival also. That's what I heard. तो इनसे सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस ले पाऊँगा इनका, और इनके साथ काम करने में जो मज़ा अलग ही आएगा, because they've been there in the industry for so long and they are very big actors. So बहुत excited हूँ मैं actually, not nervous. No, not really. No. Yeah. ज़्यादा होमवर्क करेंगे तो फिर कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगी, इसके लिए I'm just going with the flow. नहीं, एक्चुअली उसके लिए कपड़े निकालने पड़ेंगे यार अभी. नहीं, not now. Yeah. I guess that's for the selectors to decide. जो cricket है, I think Ravindra Jadeja was not playing and भाई लोग ज़रा हाँ. So Yuvraj is actually a dear friend of mine, and he's not playing. I'm really upset that he's not playing, but I think he will be back after that. He's not going to give up. And I have a film which is releasing during the World Cup called Fatak, which is my first main lead. So I think it'll be a good thing. Yeah, cricket. All the best. Go and win the World Cup, please. Again. Okay? Chalo. Thank you. Thank you.
Robin sir.
Atul was small by Atul sir, your new beginning with Jazba, how excited are you to work with Sanjay Ji? Aishwarya would be there in the movie.
It's really exciting because of the cast, because of the director, and I'm working for the first time with Sanjay Ji. So really looking forward to it.
So, क्या था आपका पहला reaction when Sanjay came to say that you will be there Jazba?
The story is extremely good. It is different, and whatever makes an actor exciting, after listening to the story has that.
So, थोड़ा बहुत बताएंगे हमें please. Just with the
हैं शो में पर्सनली और प्रोफेशनली दोनों लाइफ में किस चीज़ का वेट करेंगे?
Well, yes, Happy New Year to everybody and thank you so much for coming today. We are here, the team of Jazba, having our initial readings together as a team, and I'm very excited to work with Sanjay.
So, but after Visaresh now in Jazba, so how excited are you to work with Sanjay? Because he had an approach through Abhishek Bachchan, he said, because he was so shy to come to you directly that he approached Abhishek first, then he came to you.
I think no, it's not for any other reason. I think what tends to happen is I'm obviously, justifiably and completely besotted with my Aradhya, and I keep telling everybody in the business कि that's a lifelong thing. ना कल की बात है ना आज की बात है, वो तो हमेशा की बात रहेगी. And I think what he did was, of course, he gauged with Abhishek if I'm ready now to actually go on the floors with the movie, because जैसे कि मैं 3 साल से आप लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रही हूँ और मैं कहती गई हूँ कि मैं स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ रही हूँ और आगे जाके शुरू करूँगी, लेकिन वो आगे काफ़ी आगे बढ़ता गया, and I lost track of time, completely blissed out in motherhood, and glad on it. I'm very, very glad on the time I have fruitfully spent with Aradhya. And so I think Sanjay checked with Abhishek if you're ready, and I said yes, and Abhishek told him yes.
But are you fond
And I have to
of
film.
Sanjay Gupta's movie?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean that's not even a question. We're here working together. I love his work, and I'm very, very excited and looking forward to Jazba with the entire team.
Is Aradhya be accompanying
How
you?
much the work you did to transform yourself for this film? कितना आपको अपने आप को workout करना पड़ा, change करना पड़ा?
The obsession continues.
Yeah, obsession is for life, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing. I mean, imagine now, this is what I get associated with, which is cool. No, that's not the way I look at it. It's about a film and what you need to prepare for it. And it's the director's call, what they're looking for in their character, and that's what you deliver to as an actor.
You're looking fabulous.
Thank you.
Yeah, we will. Thank you.
We'll come with the team down. I'll come down with the team down.
Yes, yes. After thank you. Thank you.
Sanjay, one question.
No, it is an adaptation of a foreign language film, but what it is what we're not talking about. We're contractually bound.
आपने क्या ब्रीफ दिया था मिस्टर बच्चन को, किस तरह से उनको कैरेक्टर में आना है, कितना
कुछ नहीं, जो फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट है वो उनके पास है, जो फिल्म का किरदार है वो डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है, एंड शी इज वर्कड अकॉर्डिंगली ऑन इट.
किस तरह से रूपरेखा रही, कुछ थोड़ा
नहीं, वी नॉट गिविंग अवे एनीथिंग राइट. वी नीड टू होल्ड बैक. कुछ नहीं, नथिंग अबाउट द फिल्म. Nothing is it. We're starting shooting in a week's time from now.
Sir, it was supposed to the movie was supposed to go on from Feb, but it's just being reborn. Are you too excited for just now?
No, it's not about that. It's just that you're excited about anything. Every time you start a new venture, a new film, it is there is a certain level of excitement. And for me, officially, the journey begins today. From here on, we start our first reading. In the next 5 days, we start shooting, and then we go on.
सर, आपके लोकेशंस बहुत अच्छे होते हैं सर, और अलग होते हैं, यूनिक होते हैं, तो इस बार कहाँ होने वाले हैं सर?
इस बार आई एम हैप्पी दैट द लोकेशंस आर बॉम्बे, एंड क्योंकि फिल्म पीरियड फिल्म नहीं है लाइक माई प्रीवियस फिल्म, so it is Bombay today, and Bombay today is Mumbai today, contemporary Mumbai today with its all new skyline and all the new architecture and everything. So that is something I'm looking forward to shooting.
So what did you tell us the location?
Need to rush, boss. No, just location Bombay, yaar. You want?
कब तक फिल्म को पूरा करना चाहते हैं और कब रिलीज करना चाहते हैं?
फिल्म की शूटिंग अप्रैल में खत्म हो जाएगी, जून में कर्टन रेजर है और सितंबर में रिलीज है.
कुछ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस मिस्टर बच्चन की, अभिषेक की?
जी नहीं, किसी की नहीं. There's no special appearance. Thank you. Have a good day.
Sir, we are very happy. So first of all, very good morning.
Good morning.
So how like Jazba, new year, new beginning with Jazba?
Also for the fact when you are attached to a film, it has a lot of credibility the film.
I can only smile modestly. You're paying me a compliment, and it would be very rude of me to accept it in all humility. It's for you to make the conclusion.
But how was the reaction when Sanjay came to saying that you'll be the part of the movie?
Well, I read the script. I read the script, and I liked the script. That's why I'm doing the film.
About that, your character.
Not allowed to speak about it.
Good afternoon, how are you? Yes, I'm looking forward to working with Sanjay Gupta after 18 years. And of course with Ash and Irfan, I'll be working strangely for the first time. And I'm looking forward to this film. It's an amazing script. And I don't want to call it Aishwarya's comeback film. Actors never go, they just take a break. And we're looking forward to this, basically.
So, but are you fond of Sanjay Gupta's movies or his films?
I like his movies. I like the way he directs it. He's a very stylish director, and this time he's chosen a script which is based on a Korean film. I've seen the Korean film. I've read the script also. I think it's going to be fantastic.
So it's 7 days, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it is 7 days.
Perfect. So, but apart from this, you're about to shoot about in contemporary Mumbai, sir. Contemporary Bombay, sir. The one thing you like about Bombay, that's like with the core.
Madness, chaos of Bombay.
And one thing you don't like about Bombay?
Traffic.
So you've been the head of the censor board in the past. So recently a film called MSC has been telling the revising company. How would you react?
There are certain chapters in life you like to forget. Me being chairman of censor board, I've left behind me, and I think any film which has been sent to revising committee, I think is on the discretion of the censor board, and I think they have to decide how they should deal with this film.
So, but one thing I would like to say is that thank you so much for telling us that it is an adaptation of 17, because Sanjay was not only speaking, and he is telling.
Maybe I was not supposed to say that, but well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning. Yes, Jazba starts today, and I think hopefully the shooting would start in another week's time. And this would be my new role, probably, producing a film. And it's a great thing to produce with Sanjay. It's a great script, and I think amazing cast. And Nitinji is here, and I think we're going to have lots of fun with Jazba.
So, but are you going to act also or produce?
No. I'm just producing this film, and because I really enjoy the script, and I feel it's going to be one of a kick-ass thriller and an amazing action film to watch.
And also, there are reports that Aishwarya जो है वो fees नहीं लेगी है, वो cut लेगी film से, profit लेगी, sharing.
Well, फिलहाल तो ऐसा मेरी नॉलेज में कुछ नहीं है, जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि
Because you are the producers, that's why.
No, that is why I'm saying. मुझे इस बारे की कोई जानकारी नहीं है, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जहाँ तक मुझे पता है. But she is working on the film, and she is quite excited to shoot another week to go, and it should be a good film.
But sir, are you fond of Sanjay Gupta's movies, previous movies?
Oh, definitely, right from the beginning. I mean, from Atish times, he's been a fabulous director. Always been out of the box. Something new. He has something new to offer all the time. मतलब कुछ नया बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, कुछ हटके करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो that is something great to watch about him.
So your take on that?
On what?
आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं जज्बा को लेकर?
Well, after a long time, we are making a big mainstream movie, and I think there's a lot of excitement for SL Vision, which is doing very well in Marathi cinema. Would like to really now take off in Hindi as well. So I'm very excited.
And as the producers, I would just like to know what's the budget of it?
Well, it's definitely, I mean, such a great star cast. Yeah, please.
Let me answer two questions first about Aishwarya's fees and about the budget. You know what the mainstream film budgets are like today, you know. So it's going to be nothing less than any mainstream cinema budget. So you can imagine. Okay. So you can say that this film is going to be in the range of about 30-40 crores, whatever that normal budgets are. And we're just starting off because we are still planning quite a lot of things. As far as fees are concerned, let me tell you, Aishwarya is definitely charging less than what she normally charges. And you know, although we don't discuss commercial aspects with the media as such, and she's very excited about the project, and there is no question of charging more just because she's a comeback or anything. It's the excitement of the project that's lured her to this film.
Okay, Sachin sir, आजकल बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नए रिकॉर्ड्स बन रहे हैं, तो आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें, क्या ओपनिंग मिलेगी जज्बा?
नहीं, जज्बा को डेफिनेटली बहुत बड़ी ओपनिंग मिलेगी क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स संजय गुप्ता कमिंग बैक आफ्टर वडाला and Aishwarya has come back after a long time, and after Guzarish, and she's very excited about the film, and we all are excited. I mean, that's the reason we all are on board with this project. So we hope a huge opening for the film.
Okay, आप believe करते नंबर पे जैसे 200 करोड़ 300 करोड़ आजकल फिल्में?
Well, it's मतलब on a good day, Dabang would open on a big number. On a bad day, another film which is good but may not open to a big number. So it's all about timing and release and everything. So depend करता है, but we definitely expect a huge opening on the film. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's again a reminder how our selection panel was so kind of the film that they didn't send it for the Oscars. But the film is finding its own way, and it's again and again making its presence felt all around the world. And BAFTA is special for me because the first film, my first film which won the award was BAFTA. I went with Warrior for BAFTA, and Warrior won 2 awards. So
It's a special and
yeah, it's still special.
And how excited you are for today's script session, Jazba?
I'm looking forward. I'm hopeful, and I like the script. So excitement will come as the shooting will come.
So is it upsetting that this movie of yours that has done so great across the globe but didn't even make it to the nomination list of the national awards back at home?
वो हमारा सिस्टम है, ऐसा ही है. You know.
You'll be seeing great characters, great films this year. Apart from Jazba, you also have a very realistic kind of film called Neruda.
Neruda.
Can you tell us something about it?
Neruda के बारे में I can't say anything right now. The film which I have films which I have completed is Madari with Nishikant, Piku with Sujit Sarkar in Neruda.
Thank you so much. You're also working with the Bachchans in 2015. You have Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. You're working with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan as well. So how is it working like with them?
I'll definitely talk about in detail my experience with Mr. Bachchan, and it was special. And I never imagined in my life that I'll be facing a camera with him, sharing the screen with him, and it was one of the memorable experience. And once we start publicizing Piku, then I'll talk it in detail. What was my experience?
Slightly away from films, there is a minister in Goa who's kind of,
Minister की बात मुझसे मत. I don't know ministers. I have nothing to do with ministers.
Thank you, Dada. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Irfan, is there any progress on your film Spielberg? You said you were going to do a project with Steven Spielberg.
Spielberg का फिल्म भी आएगा मई के अंदर, जून में. No, मैं talk जब when sign करूँगा तब मैं.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.